Bambu Lab X2D AMS Combo Unboxing Guide. To begin, open the outer box. Read the Quick Start Guide carefully and remove the toolbox. Next, remove the cardboard and the top foam pieces. Lift out the printer and place it on a stable surface. Remove the moisture-proof bag and the spare PTFE tube. Remove the tape from around the printer. Lift off the glass top cover, then remove the protective bag and handle foam. Peel off the protective film from the side window and take out the accessory box. Now, remove all remaining top foam pieces. Use an H2.0 Allen key to remove the two red-marked screws, then lift out the AMS2 Pro. Remove the foam from the inner walls of the printer. Remove the 3 screws to take off the AMS transport fixture. Then remove the heat bed fixing screw and the desiccant from inside the printer. Pull down and remove the red plastic protectors from both lead screws. Cut and remove the zip ties from the linear rods. Pull the tool head toward the front door and remove its zip tie. Place the top glass cover back onto the printer. Remove the tape securing the cable and insert it into the screen port. Tuck in the cable, insert the screen, and slide it left to lock it in place. Remove the tape and take out the auxiliary extruder from the accessory box. Slide out the cover plate, insert the cable, then slide it back. Loosen the nut on the auxiliary extruder by hand and insert the PTFE tube fully into the connector. Insert the auxiliary extruder and press down to lock. Confirm the tube is fully inserted, then tighten the nut with the open end wrench. Continue until you hear a continuous clicking sound. Remove the tape securing the PTFE tube. Insert the gray tube into the main extruder inlet and the white tube into the auxiliary extruder inlet. Remove the protective film and inner cardboard from the AMS2 Pro. Remove the foam and take out the external exhaust fan bundle. Unpack the desiccant and place it back. Place the AMS2 Pro on top of the printer. Connect the gray tube to the AMS2 Pro outlet. Connect the 6-pin cable from the accessory box to the 6-pin ports on the buffer and the AMS. Take out the spool holder and slide it into the base. Insert the PTFE tube holder downward into the slot on the spool holder, then connect the white PTFE tube. Insert the external exhaust fan into the rear panel, press in, and push left to lock. Connect the buffer and the external exhaust fan with the short 6-pin cable. Important: check that the voltage matches your local power standard. Plug in the power cable and turn on the printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial calibration. Finally, remove the foam from under the heat bed once the calibration is complete. Once the AMS has successfully loaded, you are ready to print.